In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play any game on PlayStation 5 with mouse and keyboard and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, connecting a keyboard and mouse combo to your PlayStation 5 is possible. In fact, all that you would have to do most of the time is to use one of the available USB ports to input a mouse and a keyboard. Now, even though the process of connecting the devices to your PlayStation 5 is extremely straightforward, what you will notice is that a lot of games don't natively support the controls. So even though you might be able to move your mouse around, maybe the keyboard doesn't work or vice versa, or both don't work, and it makes the process of playing these games impossible. So as of today, what's the deal with using mouse and keyboard on a PlayStation 5? To summarize, playing any game on the console with mouse and keyboard exclusively is impossible. There is a list of games that have official support, as you can see, compiled in the PlayStation Wiki. In here, we can see that the games which have full keyboard and mouse support are Assassin's Creed Valhalla, Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, Modern Warfare 1, 2 and 3, Fortnite, Immortals Phoenix Rising, Minecraft, Planet Coaster, Quake, Quake 2, Sniper Elite 5, and finally, House of the Dead Remake. Besides these games listed here, it is not a guarantee that keyboard and mouse are going to have full controller support. What I would recommend is that you go ahead and you research a specific game that you want to play using a mouse and keyboard to see if that specific game has the support needed to run those devices. If it doesn't, then it is going to remain impossible. You can explore adapters such as the Zim Matrix to use these devices as adapters that basically translate the keyboard and mouse into controller inputs, but because they are expensive and a hassle to set up, I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video. I recommend that you do your own research, but to answer the question in the title of this video, it is not possible to play any game. You will have to do research on a per game basis. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using mouse and keyboard combos on games on a PlayStation 5. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.